Welcome everybody back to one of my videos. Today we are currently at Kincumba Mountain Reserve. The first walk we're going to be doing is called Yanina Walk. Kincumba Mountain Reserve is accessible from Terrigal, Greenpoint and Kincumba. It's an enjoyable trail on the Central Coast region of New South Wales. This out and back route begins and ends from the parking area at the ends of Island View Drive. From here, it's relatively easy walk out to multiple lookouts and looks to a ferny cave area.